Good morning, everyone. Compassion is often described as the deep awareness of the suffering of others, coupled with the wish to relieve it. While it frequently confused with similar concepts like sympathy or empathy, compassion goes beyond merely feeling bad for someone or understanding their situation. It is an active force that moves a person to act, to help, and to care. It is one of the most fundamental human values, serving as the glue that holds community together and the light that guides us through difficult times. To understand compassion fully, it helps us to distinguish it from its relative sympathy is feeling for someone looking at their pain from a distance. Empathy is the ability to put yourself in their shoes to feel with them. Compassion, however, is the next step. It is sympathy or empathy in action. It is the recognition that your pain matters to me, and I want to do something about it. It requires vulnerability as it asks us to open our hearts to pain that is not our own. It requires courage as it demands that we step towards rather than turn away. At its core, compassion is rooted in the understanding of our shared humanity. We all experience suffering, fear, loss, and hardship. When we look at another person, compassion allows us to see that they are not no different from us. This connection breaks down barriers of prejudice, judgment, and indifference. Instead of asking, why is this happening to them? A compassionate mind asks, what can I do to help? It transforms strangers into neighbors and create a sense of belonging. The impact of compassion is profound both for the receiver and giver. For those who are suffering, hope, it reminds them that they are not alone in their struggles and that they are worthy of care and respect. It validates their feelings and can be the very thing that helps them survive their darkest moments. But interestingly, compassion is equally powerful for the person giving it. Scientific studies have shown that acts of kindness and compassion release endorphins, reduce stress, and increase overall fire satisfaction. Helping others actually help us live longer, healthier, and happier lives. Furthermore, compassion is not limited to grand gestures or heroic acts. While we admire those charity or emergency services, true compassion is often found in the small everyday interaction. It is the patience shown to someone who is struggling, the listening ear offered to a friend in need, or the forgiveness extended when we have been wronged. It is choosing kindness over being right, and understanding over judgment. It is a habit and a choice that we can make every single day. In the world that often emphasize competition, individualism, and success, compassion is a necessary counterbalance. It reminds us that success means very little if if you lose our humanity along the way. It builds trust, heals our wounds, and creates environments where people can thrive. Whether it is expressed through charity, volunteer work, or simply treating others with dignity and respect. Compassion. Compassion remains one of the highest virtues we can possess. Compassion is more than just a feeling. It is a commitment to kindness. It is the bridge that connect us to one another and the force that drives us to make the world a better place. By cultivating compassion in our hearts and practicing it in our lives, we not only alleviate the suffering of others but also enrich our own souls. It is perhaps the simplest yet most powerful way we can contribute to community.